Hey folks, we didn't have class on Tuesday, September 1st, because starting this week we're only having live Zooms on Monday, Wednesday, but you still do have your assignments as if we were to have class. So here are the things that you should have done on Tuesday since there was no Zoom. So there's still a pre-class assignment. That was to take a look at this Unit 2 overview, take a look at these different topics, and then make a T-chart, kind of like we did with the Unit 1, of things I already know and things I don't quite know yet but would like to. And then after that, you were supposed to go through the Unit 2 progress check on College Board. So you sign into your College Board account, go to assignments posted by my teachers, and then you should be able to see the Unit 2 progress check. I know that there were some issues with it early on in the morning, but it seems to have been resolved in the afternoon. So if you haven't done that yet, please go ahead and head over to College Board now to do this. Remember, I'm not grading you based on what you know because this is a pre-unit check, is like, what do you already know about this unit? And then, yeah, please go ahead and finish that. This should take you no more than 30 minutes. I think there's about 20 questions on there. So if it's taking you longer than that, speed it up. Don't spend too much time on the ones that you don't know. And then make note of them in your notebook or wherever you're taking those things down. And then finally, make sure you have listened to the biodiversity lecture that I gave. It's about 10 minutes long. And then go ahead and take some notes down in a notebook or either online, whatever you're planning on doing. And then the homework was just to finish up those things. So hopefully that was pretty straightforward and clear. And yeah, see you all next time.